Hi everyone, I wanted to do a review of this historic Route 66 sign. It's supposed to be tin, something like that. I think it's kind of a light steel construction. Oh, okay, let's see what we've got here. A couple labels. It says this is made in China. Powered by, let's see what we've got here. Some AA batteries. And there were no wall mounts, no screws to mount this to the wall, but that is not a problem. My plan is to mount this in the garage. Now, what they've done is they've tried to make this look like, a rusty old sign that you would see on Route 66. Of course, to find one of those that's authentic is virtually impossible. I think they did a pretty good job here. This seems to be all metal construction. I mean, maybe it's not, but it's just fun. I think these, I will verify the price, but I want to say these are probably 60 to maybe $100, and they're large. The thing that I do like about this also, the battery powered function on this. Here's the other side, but this means you don't have to have it right next to an outlet. And again, this is all done with paint. This is not actual corrosion, not actual rust, which I'm okay with. I think they did a good job with it. So let's put some batteries in this bad boy, install the lights, and we'll take a look at it here on the table.